What is up, guys? I hope all your mornings go amazing. So today we're going to be working on both 240s. Chow just showed up and we're going to head to the shop in the matter of like 10 minutes. And he's going to change his starter out, and Ryan is going to make brackets for his lights. And then I need to change my alternator and rewire the fuel pump. So come along. Hopefully we can get the SR20 running properly so I can actually hit boost. So come enjoy this shitty day with us because I'm pretty sure it's snowing a little bit.
Give it half a brap, let the wheel counter steer, and then get on it. Try that.
So big change of plans. I don't know why it decides to do this today because it literally hasn't snowed for like the past goddamn month, but of course the one day we're gonna fix both 240s, it decides to snow out, and I'm not trying to drive there with no window and no wipers. It'll be kind of sketchy. I gotta drive all the way to the shop. Chow has no wipers, so we're not trying to risk that. Look how bad it is out. It's been snowing for like not even an hour. There's a nice layer outside, so I think we're gonna be chilling inside for the rest of the day. Maybe take the Durango and Genesis out tandem a little bit, but I think that's as far as we're gonna go. Just had a little tandem session on Assetto Corsa. Me, Orion, and Chow are now gonna head to On Track in the Durango. As you see, it's still snowing out. Lots of coverage, so we'll be able to get sideways in the Durango. Sadly, can't work on the 240, so we're gonna have to wait until it clears up a bit.
Hopefully your mic can pick up the fucking
sirens.
really good.
Yeah, forgot my camera upstairs, so we had to run up here again. So on 91, all you hear is sirens. My mom called me, she's like, don't go out. There's a huge pile up on 91, so we're gonna try to avoid the highways and see if we can get to On Track nice and safe and sound, because we don't really want to waste the day. We got our hopes up, as Orion said, to work on 240s, so we gotta do something fun today. All you hear on 91 is sirens and fire trucks. Listen.
I wonder if they're watching this happen.
Yeah?
No, from like inside.
Stay right there, stay right there.
Oh my god.
Stay right there, let me do donuts around you.
God, this is comical. Cam is doing donuts around 2 subscribers in the On Track parking lot right now. Oh my god. Full lock. There's also a course in which he has been consistently linking for like 15 straight minutes. That was so much angle, dude. We were like eye to eye with those fucking parked cars. Linking it. Link the whole course. No, dude! Look at Maniac. Cam's gonna drift this on-ramp that we literally fantasize about drifting on a daily basis, so we'll see how this goes. Oh my god, faint entry into it. You're a savage, dude. Oh my god, we are hauling now. That felt so rally car.
Yeah, it did. It's getting a little too bad out to drive anymore, so we got all the snow drifting out of our system. Sadly, Orion's car can barely move because he has summer slicks on it, so you can see my drift spots where I literally drifted into my parking spot. But literally, yesterday, there was not there was no snow on the ground whatsoever, and then today at 5 o'clock in the afternoon, look how it looks. Looks like it's been snowing for fucking a week straight. even though it's only been like 4 hours. Anyway, grab something to eat at West Side IGA.
Could I get a ½ pound of tuna macaroni salad and a ½ pound of that other egg salad over there? Yeah. Nice.
They didn't have any cucumber rolls, so my second opinion for the best thing at IGA is the salad bar here. So we're gonna go with a nice salad, healthy, delicious, cheap. Chow has to clean off his car, so he's using my little brush thing, and then we're gonna stay here just in case he can't get out with his Saturn front wheel drive. We'll have to pull him out. But just ripped the set of Corsa for a while. Now me and Orion are about to go meet up with the crew, lifestyle crew, and bang some tandems. They know some pretty good spots, and apparently one of them is basically like a track. About to hop in the Genesis, literally covered in snow. Look at this. You can see like where the wind was like breaking the snow right there. It looks pretty cool. Cooling down, going down my Arizona by putting it on the ground right there. What? Sounds so good. Damn, the 240 is so sad sitting over there. She's like, damn, guys. You got it! Come on! Come on! I'm trying. You got it, come on. So, the Durango is parked halfway across the parking lot from where his Genesis was parked, so he was in there completely blind, and I was giving him directions with his, oh, right in my face.
I'm so sorry.
It's okay. I was giving him directions while his window was down like 2 inches, and we got here safely, so he's cleaning it off right now. That little brush I have, an ice scraper, definitely comes in handy because it's not short. So we're about to head out, meet up with Kuro, do some tandems. My hands are fucking numb. Highways are so bad.
Yeah, dude, there's a plow truck back there.
Oh, shit.
Yeah, that's why I'm trying to get out. There he goes.
About to take off. Everyone's gearing up, starting all their cars. Damn, we're mobbing hard. I'm pretty sure it's like 6 or 7 cars coming with us. Try to zoom lens. There goes the 350.
Immediate grip.
Yeah, literally immediately. One person starts manjing, everyone manges. That angle though. Literally everyone behind us is manjing. I know that for a fact. I just can't look back there. Alright, we are calling it a night. We went to go search a lot of spots, and all of them are either really, really deep with snow or getting plowed, and the plow guys obviously don't really allow that, so we're gonna take the troop back home.
Plow guy did.
Oh damn, he fucked it right here. Sadly, didn't really get that many skids in, but oh well. They said they might be down to come up to Rocky Hill tomorrow, and obviously we know a lot of spots there, so. That about wraps up tonight's vlog, guys. Definitely stay tuned for tomorrow, because I'm pretty sure we're going to be working on the SR, hopefully get it running, do the alternator, rewire the fuel pump, things of that nature. So if you guys enjoyed today's vlog, definitely go down to the comment section, leave some feedback, leave a like if you liked it, leave a like if you didn't like it, and I will catch you guys tomorrow as always.